Coconut Curry Chickpea Soup. Fragrant, warming, and satisfying, this coconut curry chickpea soup combines creamy chickpeas, colorful vegetables, aromatic curry spices, tender rice, and fresh spinach in a gently spiced broth. Coconut oil helps carry the flavor of the spices, while lime added at the end provides the brightness needed to balance the richness. It is a substantial plant-based soup designed for everyday nourishment. In the description area of this video, a complete recipe, including metric weights and soup formula categories, is available to view or download. This information is for informational purposes only and is not intended to be a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. For medical advice or diagnosis, consult a professional. This soup is structured around chickpeas as its primary protein anchor and uses the FAMVGLAG flavor integration variation of the soup formula. The aromatics are gently developed in coconut oil before the vegetables, chickpeas, and rice are added, allowing the curry spices to bloom and integrate rather than dominate. Carrots and cauliflower provide contrasting color, texture, fiber, and micronutrients, while spinach supplies a fresh green finish. The combination of coconut oil and curry spices supports the soup formula's emphasis on fat-assisted flavor and nutrient utilization, while lime added near the end provides brightness. The chickpeas and rice provide substantial satiety, making this a complete, hearty plant-based meal rather than simply a broth with vegetables. Yield: approximately 3 quarts, 12 cups, per recipe. Actual finished volume will vary somewhat with evaporation and with the absorption or expansion of ingredients such as beans, legumes, grains, and pasta. Typically serve 6 to 8, depending on bowl size. Equipment: 6-quart stock pot, Dutch oven or wok with lid, cutting board, chef's knife, measuring cups and spoons, wooden spoon, and ladle. A useful rule for recipe development is to keep a soup pot no more than about half to 2/3 full at the start, especially when grains or dried beans, lentils, rice, pasta, or other expanding ingredients will absorb liquid and increase in volume. Before we begin, gather your ingredients. You will need coconut oil, yellow onion, garlic, and fresh ginger, curry powder, turmeric, cumin, and black pepper, cooked chickpeas, carrots and cauliflower, long-grain rice, low-sodium vegetable broth and light coconut milk, fresh spinach, cilantro, lime juice, and fine sea salt. For serving, you may also want toasted unsweetened coconut, extra cilantro leaves, and lime wedges. The complete printable recipe, including cups, metric weights, and soup formula categories, is available to view or download in the description area of this video. Directions: Step 1. Heat the fat. Place a 6-quart stock pot, Dutch oven, or large wok over medium heat. Add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Let it melt and become hot, but do not allow it to smoke. Step 2. Build the aromatic foundation. Add about 1½ cups of finely diced yellow onion. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until the onion is softened and translucent. Add 3 cloves of finely minced garlic and 1 tablespoon of finely grated fresh ginger. Stir continuously for about 1 minute. Now add 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, and 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Stir continuously for 30 to 60 seconds until the spices become fragrant. Step 3. Add the protein anchor. Add about 1½ cups of cooked chickpeas, drained and rinsed. Stir thoroughly so the chickpeas are evenly coated with the aromatic curry mixture. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Step 4. Add the vegetables. Add about 2 cups of peeled and diced carrots and about 2 cups of bite-sized cauliflower florets. Stir well, then cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Step 5. Add the rice. Add half a cup of rinsed long-grain brown or white rice. Stir for about 30 seconds so the rice is evenly distributed throughout the vegetable and chickpea mixture. Step 6. Add the liquids. Pour in about 6 1/3 cups of low-sodium vegetable broth and 1 cup of light coconut milk. Stir thoroughly, scraping the bottom of the pot with a wooden spoon to release any flavorful bits. Increase the heat and bring the soup to a gentle boil. Step 7. Simmer and develop. Reduce the heat to low or medium-low to maintain a gentle simmer. Partially cover the pot and cook for 20 to 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. The soup is ready when the rice is tender, the carrots are fork tender, the cauliflower is tender but still holds its shape, the chickpeas are hot and tender, and the broth tastes fully integrated. If the soup becomes thicker than you prefer as the rice absorbs liquid, stir in a little additional hot broth or water until it reaches your preferred consistency. Step 8. Finish with greens and herbs. Turn off the heat. Add about 3 cups of roughly chopped fresh spinach and about half a cup of chopped fresh cilantro. Stir gently, then let the spinach wilt in the residual heat for 1 to 2 minutes. Step 9. Add brightness. Stir in 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. Taste the soup and notice how the lime brightens the curry, coconut, and chickpea flavors. Step 10. Taste and balance. Taste the soup carefully. Add up to 1 1/4 teaspoons of fine sea salt or season to taste. If the soup tastes heavy, add a little more lime juice. If it is too thick, add hot broth or water. If it tastes bland, add a little salt and lime. If it is too spicy, add a small amount of coconut milk or broth. If it tastes too sweet, balance it with lime juice and a small pinch of salt. If it needs more warming spice, add a small pinch of curry powder or black pepper. Step 11. Garnish and serve. Ladle the hot soup into bowls. If desired, garnish the full recipe with about 2 tablespoons of toasted unsweetened coconut, about 2 tablespoons of fresh cilantro leaves, and 6 to 8 lime wedges for serving. Serve immediately. That is all for now. Thank you for visiting the Soup Formula YouTube channel. This recipe is in the description area of this video. Journey on.